Happy Thursday, everyone. All right, 2 reviews tonight. Woo-hoo. And I'll show you my finish in the second review. I'll have to get it out before I start the video. Okay, Jake and I are ready. Yay. All right, so this one is Bare Bones, Conversations on Terror with Stephen King, edited by Tim Underwood and Chuck Miller. I did not finish it, so no stars. And you're like, wait, you're a huge Stephen King fan. How were you not able to finish it? Let me explain why. Okay, so when it says conversations, they're interviews. So the whole book is interviews with Stephen King. The problem with this is, it's only from, hold on, let me look. The publication date year is hold on. Oh, no, memento. It's dark in here. 1988. How many books do you think Stephen King wrote by 1988? So how many books do they talk about during these interviews? So that's the problem. I made it to page 88. 1988, 88. No, actually, I made it to page 80. 88, yeah. And I stopped because it's repetitious. Meaning that if I have to read another interview question on why he hates the movie The Shining, I'm gonna pull my hair out. And how's The Stand gonna come? What's The Stand gonna be like when it comes out on TV for movie? And what do you think of Carrie, the movie from the book? So yeah. Don't get me wrong. The first couple interviews were interesting because, again, it wasn't repetition. So it's like, okay, he's talking about, which I didn't know, he didn't like Jack Nicholson as the main character for that movie. Very interesting. But when they started going to different interviewers and they're asking him the same question, I'm like, okay, I already read this from when he did the interview with Playboy. So I'm like, okay. And I get to the next interview, same thing, next interview, okay, I'm done. And I'm like, I kind of flipped ahead, I'm like, yeah, no, I'm done. Because literally it's just the movies he made up until 1988. Pet Sematary, Salem's Law, he talks a lot about, so it's like, and then about his wife, and then about his young sons, and it's like, okay, I already know all this stuff. Best book is On Writing for nonfiction for him. So I already learned all that stuff from On Writing. And I'm like, I thought this was going to be a lot different, but alas, it was not. So, moving on. So again, no stars, did not finish. Bare Bones, Conversation on Terror with Stephen King. No, it's conversations about his books and movies. With editing by Tim Underwood and Chuck Miller. Oh, they do ask him what he's afraid of. I think every interview asks him what his fear is. Yeah. All right, so that's the first interview. I'll be back with the second review, and I'll show you my recent cross-stitch finish. Yay!